In this video, I will show how to give a reference for a book in Microsoft Word. So insert, click on reference, insert citation, add new source, type of source, select book section, and there are some more options. So select book or book section. If you select book, give author name and title for that book. And here year, in which year this book is published, city, and publisher name. Now just click on OK. You can insert tag name. Now remove it, and here you can select reference. So here we'll, and this way we can read, this is the author name, published year, and publisher name. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.